Whew. Hey, Jimmy Weller here, Weller's Utility Trailers. Got this 24-foot semi-loaded trailer. It's got the diamond plate corners, diamond plate stone guard, diamond plate nose cap, and the cast aluminum top corners. 5,000 pound axles. They are spread axles. Now when we say semi-loaded, you'll notice that the floor is standard plywood. There's no rubber flooring, there's no vinyl, and the walls are plywood. However, the roof is white vinyl, has the white aluminum corners, electrical package, wired and framed for air conditioner, has the overhead cabinets, the base cabinets. There's your lifeline and your panel box and the hole where you drop your cord through so you don't got to run it out the door. Side door with the flush lock and built-in step. Also, you got an LED light. Standard is 2 receptacles. This one has not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 receptacles. So if you're looking for a car hauler, but you don't need the frills of the flooring and the walls, but you do want the cabinets and the electrical, then this 24-foot car hauler is for you. We have financing available. We have rent-to-own available. We accept trade-ins, we accept consignments, and we also special order trailers. So check out Wellers.com. Give me, Jimmy, a call, 302-337-8228. Have a fine day.